Welcome to the My Contacts section. This is where you can view, organize, and manage all of your contacts in one convenient location. From this page, you can search for a specific contact, filter your contact list using contact statuses, and organize contacts using tags or categories. You can also add contacts individually or import multiple contacts at once using a CSV file or an Excel file. The My Contacts section also includes tools that allow you to communicate with several contacts at the same time, including the ability to send bulk emails and personalize messages using merge fields. By opening an individual contact record, you can view more detailed information about the contact, manage their status, apply tags, add comments, create reminders, and review their activity history. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the main features of the My Contacts section, including how to use contact statuses, add new contacts, view an individual contact record, and send bulk emails. Let's begin with contact status. Contact status help you organize your contacts based on their current stage, category, or position in your workflow. On the My Contacts page, you'll see the available contact statuses displayed as filters. Each status includes a toggle switch that allows you to show or hide contacts assigned to that status. You can turn on one status to view only the contacts within that category, or enable multiple statuses to display a broader group of contacts. This makes it easier to quickly narrow down your contact list and find the records you need. Contact status are also customizable. To add, edit, or manage contact statuses, click on Manage Contact Status. From here, you can create new statuses or update existing ones based on your organization's workflow. Using contact statuses consistently helps keep your database organized and makes it easier to track where each contact is in your process. Next, let's look at how to add a new contact. To begin, click Add Contact. You will then be given two options, Single Contact or Bulk Upload. Choose Single Contact when you want to manually add one contact. Enter the contact's information into the appropriate field, such as their first name, last name, email address, phone number, and any other available details. Once you have entered the necessary information, preview the contact record and save it. Choose Bulk Upload when you need to import multiple contacts at the same time. This option allows you to upload a CSV or Excel file containing your contact information. After uploading the file, you will be taken to the field mapping screen. On this screen, match each columns in your uploaded file with the corresponding field in the system. At a minimum, make sure to map the first name, last name, email address, and mobile phone number. You can also assign specific contact status or apply tags to the contacts included in the import. This allows you to organize the contacts immediately as they are added to the system. Before completing that upload, carefully review the field mappings, selected contact status, tags, and other import settings. Once everything is correct, click Import to add the contacts to your contact list. Now let's open a sample contact and take a closer look at an individual contact record. So open a contact, click the contact's name from the My Contacts list. At the top of the record, you can view or update the contact current status. You can also apply tags to help categorize the contacts and make their record easier to organize and locate. The contact record also allows you to add comments and reminders. Comments can be used to document important notes, conversations, or updates related to the contact. Reminders can help you keep track of upcoming task appointments or follow-ups. The contact's information is divided into several sections, including personal information, property information, financial details, leads, loans, and the credit program. Each section contains relevant information associated with the contact. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll find the activities timeline. The activity timeline provides a chronological history of activity related to the contact. This may include communications, comments, reminders, status changes, and other important interactions. Verifying the contact record and activity timeline, you can simply understand the contact's history, current status, and any next steps that may be required. Finally, let's look at how to send bulk emails. Start from the My Contacts section. You can use the contact status filters to narrow down the list and display a specific group of contacts. You can also manually select individual contacts by clicking on the checkbox beside each contact's name. Once you have selected the contacts you want to email, click the Email button. A new window will open where you can enter the subject line and compose the content of your email. You can also personalize your message by using merge fields. To add a merge field, click the Merge Field button and select the contact information you want to include. For example, you can select the first name field to automatically insert each recipient's first name into the message. This allows every contact to receive a more personalized email, even when the message is being sent to multiple recipients at the same time. Before sending, review the subject line, email content, merge fields, and selected recipients to make sure everything is correct. Once your email is ready, click Send to deliver the message to all the selected contacts. You have now completed the My Contacts overview. You can use the section to organize your contacts database, manage contact statuses, add contacts individually or book, review detailed contact records, and communicate with multiple contacts more efficiently. By keeping contact information, statuses, tags, comments, reminders, and activity history updated, your team can stay organized and maintain a clear view of every contact in the system.